Hi everyone, it's Aria and welcome back to gmailfiend, where you can find all the tutorials you need in optimizing your Google Mail. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to mute emails on your Gmail account. But first things first, don't forget to check our channel for more tutorials and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you'll need to do is log in to your Gmail account. So I'm going to be teaching you two methods on how to mute emails. So the first one is, of course, click everything that you want to mute. Like for example, I've clicked this 5 conversations. So what you're going to do is right click and then click mute. So all the conversations are muted. All the chosen conversations are muted. The next method is actually the most easy one. So the first thing you'll need to do is, for example, you want to mute all the read emails. So it will select all your read emails and then click this 3 dots, then click mute. And you can also undo it if you're not satisfied and you want to add more. Just click everything and click all the emails that you want to mute. Okay, so that's basically it. You have muted the conversations that you want to mute with specific people. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on our next one. Bye!